Welcome back everybody. Today we're doing a 2025 updated tutorial on steam engines. Let's start with wheels. I'm gonna go ahead and get some medium train wheel assemblies. Doesn't matter which size you use, it just changes which pistons you're gonna be using. So I've got the medium wheels, so we got the medium piston. Make sure it lines up. Sometimes you'll need to flip it upside down for it to actually connect properly. Let's get a few more wheels going on. Doesn't matter actually how many you have. Okay, now we're gonna need a firebox. Just gonna go for a normal firebox, and I'm just gonna put a duct above it so we don't have to fill it with coal. But if you had a tender, then you could just manually shovel coal in. Next I'm gonna get a tank and then just put fresh water in it. There we go. And get the steam boiler and connect it like so to the tank. Make sure you've connected the tank to the water in node. Next we're gonna put a gas relief valve here and a port. That's just so as water gets drawn out, air can fill it to compensate. Okay, we're also gonna put a port on the air in and exhaust out. I'm actually gonna let my exhaust pipe fly a little high, like so. Now coolant in and coolant out, you need to connect to coolant A and coolant B. Doesn't actually matter which one connects to which. Go ahead and do that. Okay, connect that up. Okay, next we're gonna get the steam out. We're gonna go forward with it and then hit a T-junction. Get the steam in here. Take it along. I'm actually going to put my T-junction there and then just connect that up. Also going to get a variable valve. Just slap it on there. That's our throttle. Let's get a throttle lever. And then connect the throttle lever to your valve. Also going to grab a battery. Connect both of those to electricity. I'm also going to use a constant on to turn on our firebox ignition. Then lastly we need to top off this steam out to another port. You could have this go up a chimney alongside your exhaust. As you can see, our firebox is heating up. We're going to start heating through these pipes into the boiler. Boiler's going to boil this water through the valve and then goes into the pistons and then out. So let's test this bad boy. Just throttle it up a bit. And there it goes. It's working very well. That is the tutorial complete. Subscribe and like if this helped you out. Go ahead and comment down below any Stormworks related questions or problems you have with this build. I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you very much for watching and have a nice day.